Hi friends, my name is Rohan Vasudev. In the last session, we learned about relational operators. In this session, we are going to learn about logical operators. So what are logical operators? Logical operators are used to combine two or more conditions or relational statements and returns Boolean value. So logical operator will always return a Boolean value. What are the types of logical operators? First is your logical AND operator. Logical AND operator will check if all the conditions are true or not. It only returns true if all the conditions are true, and it returns false if either one of the relational statement or condition is false. Next, move on to the next logical operator, which is your logical OR operator. Logical OR operator checks if at least one of the condition is true or not. Returns true if one or all the relational statements or conditions are true, and returns false only when all the conditions are false. Then lastly, we have logical NOT operator. Logical NOT operator returns true if the condition is not satisfied. Now let's get into the Unity editor and write a piece of code. Okay guys, I am in the Unity editor now. So I have already created operators object here, which is an empty game object. Then I have already created a script here, which is logical operators script, and already attached the script to the operators object. Let's open the script and see the code here. So guys, we have already declared a bool variable x here whose value is set to the true. We have already declared a bool variable y whose value is set to false. We have already declared again a bool variable result, and we have not assigned any value to the result yet. Okay, now inside the start function, this AND operator here will check if both the variables, variable x and y, are true or not. But in this case, variable x is true, but variable y is false. Hence, the output here will be false. The output is then assigned to the bool variable result here and is then printed in the console. The OR operator here will check if at least one of the value for the variables x and y are true or not. In this case, the value for variable x is true, hence the output here will be true. The output is then again assigned to the bool variable result and is printed in the console here. Okay, now we have already seen the result for the AND operator is false, but we are using a NOT operator here. The NOT operator returns true if the condition is false, hence the output here will be true. This value, this output is then assigned again to the variable result here and is then lastly printed in the console using debug.log function. Now let's run this code and let's see the output inside the Unity console. Let's run the code. Okay, that's it. So AND operator is giving me an output of false, OR operator here is giving me an output of true, and NOT operator here lastly is giving me an output of true. So that's it guys, that's it for the session. I will see you in the next session. We'll continue on the topic operators in the next session. Thank you so much guys.